my office.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor for women.
What do you do with them?
I deliver their babies.
Deliver?
When the woman has the baby inside of her, then I go in and I take it out.
No, you don't. Everybody knows that the stork brings the baby.
Who told you that?
My daddy.
Okay, well, the stork puts the baby inside of the mother, and then I go in and I take it out.
The stork brings the baby to the hospital, drops it in the bassinet.
So you're saying that the baby is not inside the mommy? Then why is it that the mother gets real big?
Because she eats a lot of food.
Now let me get this straight. You say that the stork carries over, puts the baby in the bassinet, and the mother is real big because she eats a lot of food.
You got it.
I see. Well, then why is it that the mother has to go to the hospital?
The stork brings the baby to the hospital, drops it in the bassinet. The mommy goes to the hospital and gets it.
If the stork does all that, why doesn't the stork just bring it to the mommy's house?
Because it's too far, his wings will get tired.
Where does the stork get the babies from?
Heaven.
Okay. There's a zillion, skillion babies in heaven. How does the stork know what baby goes with what mother?
They're all in a line. You know, like you go to the bakery and get a number?
Egocentrism is the belief that everyone views the world as you do. In the video you just watched, Olivia's stubbornness about where babies come from is evidence that she thinks what she's saying is correct, and she can't grasp that Bill Cosby doesn't see the world as she does. Therefore, she's egocentric and falls under the category of the preoperational stage.
How many passes did you count? The correct answer is 15 passes. But did you see the gorilla?
The definition of centration is the tendency to pay attention to only one object or aspect of a situation. We chose the previous clip to demonstrate the power of centration. In the clip, you were asked to pay attention to one factor of the video and thus missed out on a gorilla walking across the screen. In the preoperational stage, children lack the ability to see the bigger picture.
Conservation is the principle that certain properties of an object, say volume, stay the same regardless of changes to other properties of the object, like height or length. Now in class, I'm going to show an experiment that a lot of scientists use to test if a child has the conservation or not.
This next video shows how kids lack reversibility, which is the ability to perform a mental operation and then reverse one's thinking to return to the starting point. In the clip, the kid starts with the idea of being faster, but can't seem to get back to that starting point. Instead goes off on a tangent of being a werewolf. A child with reversibility could draw that initial story and the werewolf story back to the origins and bring both together.
So do you guys think being fast is better than being slow?
Yes! It's better to be fast, to not be bitten by a werewolf, and then you'll be turned into one, and you'll have to stay in, and then you'll have to get shade because you'll be too hot, and then you're like, which means I wish I was back to a human.
What?